Hey, Kim here, Science Tutor Northants. So today's question, what's the difference between a prokaryotic cell and a eukaryotic cell? If you're taking science or biology this year and you can't answer that question, don't worry. We're going to walk you through it right now, so stay tuned. So what is a cell? Well, cells are the basic building blocks of all living things, the Lego bricks, if you like, that make up animals and plants and me and you. One of the major differences in these two types of cells in our question today is where they are found. So prokaryotic cells are found in prokaryotes, and that includes bacteria. Eukaryotic cells are found in eukaryotes, and that's animals and plants. So basically, number one, these cells are found in different types of organisms. So let's draw a eukaryotic cell. I'm just going to draw a basic cell shape. And this line that I'm drawing now is representing the cell membrane. Inside the cell is a nucleus, and that contains the DNA of the cell in the form of chromosomes. And the important thing to remember is that this nucleus has a membrane. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and draw some mitochondria, and they usually have this little spiral shape inside. And this, of course, is where respiration happens, and the enzymes for respiration are in the mitochondria. So let's now draw a prokaryotic cell. This also has a cell membrane. But the main difference here is the prokaryotic cell has no nucleus. So the DNA is simply found in a strand or a loop, and sometimes it's shown with a kind of a wiggly line like this. So this is known as a nucleoid, and it's the DNA of the cell all wound up together. Now, sometimes prokaryotic cells have a capsule on the outside. Again, this is something you don't find in eukaryotic cells. And again, there are other things here in the cytoplasm, and maybe a flagellum, which helps to move the cell along. So again, this is a nucleoid, it's not a nucleus. The other key difference we saw there is that a eukaryotic cell has a nucleus, and specifically a nucleus with a membrane, whereas the prokaryotic cell has no nucleus. So when we looked at those cells there, we talked about some subcellular structures or organelles such as the nucleus or the mitochondria. And these are the smaller parts of the cell that each have a different job to do. So another key difference here is that in prokaryotic cells, the subcellular structures do not have membranes, whereas in eukaryotic cells, the subcellular structures do have membranes. So there you have it, we've answered today's question. What is the difference between a prokaryotic cell and a eukaryotic cell? So first of all, they're found in different organisms. Prokaryotic cells are found in prokaryotes or bacteria, whereas eukaryotic cells are found in eukaryotes or animals and plants. The prokaryotic cell has no nucleus. The genetic material floats loose in this cell, whereas a eukaryotic cell has a nucleus with a membrane. The other difference is the subcellular structures do not have membranes in prokaryotic cells, and they do in eukaryotic cells. Always remember to get the most marks on this type of question. Include as many points in your answer as you can. So today we've covered 3 points that you could write down in your answer on a test or an exam.
Hey, Science Tutor Northants here.
We're all about getting you more marks so you can get the best grade and pursue your dream. Thanks for watching today. Subscribe to my channel and share this video with a friend. Thanks so much.